Hello Internet, what's up my peeps? This isn't a quick tip simply because it's a bit too long and it isn't really a DIY video either, so it ended up as one of my rare miscellaneous videos. Here I'm watering my newly sown lawn with my high pressure washer using the add-on normally meant for shampoo or something similar. In this case I've added liquid fertilizer instead. With the fertilizer all used up, I'm switching to another nozzle to give me more control over the spray. You might think, and rightly so, that using a high pressure washer to water your lawn, not to mention your newly sown lawn, would be disastrous, but as you can see, thanks to the high pressure, the water turns into a fine mist very soon after leaving the nozzle. I'd argue that using a high pressure washer is the most gentle way you can water your lawn. It's also one of the most cumbersome ways to water your lawn, unfortunately. In my case, I did it in order to spread the liquid fertilizer as efficiently as possible. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this interesting, useful, entertaining, or all of the above. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!